The Padmanabhaswamy Temple, nestled in the ancient city of Thiruvananthapuram in the southern Indian state of Kerala, captures the imagination like no other. First built in the 8th century, the Hindu temple houses a towering entrance that rises 30 meters, or over 100 feet high, majestically standing as a sentinel to a legend as old as time. Yet, what truly draws the world's gaze is not just the artistry of its structure, but the awe-inspiring wealth concealed within its depths. An enigmatic tale surrounds the temple's vaults, and at the heart of this legend is the mysterious Vault B, which remains unopened to this day. Imagine a treasure trove hidden away for centuries, caskets brimming with gold coins, sacks of precious stones, and ancient royal regalia. This is no conjuration of fiction, but a reality unveiled in 2011 when the Supreme Court of India ordered an inventory of the temple's vaults. The estimated value of the discovered treasure was a staggering $22 billion, more than the GDP of Mongolia, immediately catapulting the temple into global intrigue. However, amidst this revelation, the temple retains one secret: Vault B, said to be guarded by mythical serpents and divine curses, defying efforts to open it. Vault B has not been opened due to strong opposition from temple priests and devout believers. They argue the vault is fiercely guarded by a divine force, warning that its opening might bring dire consequences. Previous attempts at opening the metal grille door have uncovered a sturdy wooden door just behind it. Once this second door was opened, a third door made of iron laid behind it, jammed completely shut. The fear about unleashing cosmic rage holds many back, even the ardent treasure seekers. But why does Vault B evoke such gravity? Its ancient door, ornamented with serpent engravings, hints at its contents. Some speculate the vault holds artifacts of immense religious significance, offering a portal to lost wisdom. Others whisper tales of celestial weapons and divine manuscripts, feared and revered for their unmatched power. Within its confines could lie detailed scrolls of immeasurable historic and theological value, linking past worlds with present as they unravel forgotten tales. In July 2020, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the decision regarding the vault should remain in the hands of the Travancore royal family, as it was an issue involving religious sentiments. Since the royal family believes that opening Chamber B is a bad omen, we may never know what is truly inside. What remains hidden inside its depths is anyone's guess. Perhaps one day curiosity will eventually conquer trepidation, but until then, Vault B guards, between its ornate and foreboding doors, a realm of myths and hopes, riches and relics yet untold. Subscribe for more stories of time and terrain like this, and feel free to comment below what you think might be inside. Should we open it, or allow its secrets to remain locked up for eternity?